Learn how to customize your cal.com booking form and connect it with a voice AI platform, starting from the advanced event settings. Inside the advanced settings, we scroll down the page, moving past the calendar options until we locate the booking questions section. Here, we will customize the email address field. Let's click the Edit button on the right, which opens the Add a Question pop-up window. In the pop-up, we'll first change the label to email address. Then, we will set the placeholder text to guide users by entering organization email. To filter responses, we'll use the Require Emails That Contain field. For this example, we'll enter the specific email alice@tech.com. Next, we'll scroll down to the Exclude Emails That Contain field, and for this demonstration, enter the same email address, alice@tech.com. Finally, we set the field as required and click Save. Now, let's move on to the phone number field to make it visible. Click the toggle to show the phone number on the booking page, and then click its Edit button to customize it.
Inside the pop-up for the phone number, we'll update the label to show an example format phone number like this.
We'll then set the placeholder text to mobile number to clarify what information is needed. We make the phone number a required field and click Save. Now, we will switch over to our Voice AI platform to begin the integration. In our Voice AI agent settings, we locate the Functions panel on the right-hand side, which allows us to connect to external services. We will click the Add button to create a new function that will connect our AI agent to our cal.com calendar. From the function list, we select Check Calendar Availability. A configuration window appears where we'll start by giving our function a new name. We'll rename the function to create_support_ticket and update the description to reflect its purpose of creating a new support ticket booking. To connect the two platforms, we need an API key. Let's switch back to the cal.com tab to generate one. Paste that ID into the event type field within the function setup. Once added, hit Save, and your agent is now linked to the event type. After successfully creating your API key, the next step is to connect it with your retail AI agent. Go to the Functions section inside your agent and paste the API key you generated from cal.com. For the event type ID, simply head over to your cal.com dashboard, open the event type you created, and copy the ID directly from the event's URL. Paste that ID into the event type field within the function setup. Once added, hit Save, and your agent is now linked to the event type. If at any point you need to update the event ID, you can easily do so by clicking the Edit option in the Functions tab. With this setup, your voice assistant can now seamlessly access and manage event scheduling using cal.com, giving you a smooth and automated booking experience.